Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren says arrangements are all set to formally implement the inner line permit system in Manipur from January 1, 2020. Manpak asks BJP-led state government what is the agenda behind organizing December 29 mass rally in support of the Citizenship Amendment Act. And European University of the Belgrade district of Bosnia and Herzegovina confers honorary doctorate degree in political science upon Education Minister Dr. Radishan. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangosam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren has announced that official arrangements are all set to formally implement the inner line permit system in Manipur from January 1, 2020. Speaking to media at Chief Minister's Secretariat today, Chief Minister N. Biren said that 10 police stations have been identified for the successful implementation of the ILPS in the state and that the ILP application forms have been already printed. He also said that necessary measures are in place to identify migrants coming to Manipur at Imphal International Airport. Biren further said efforts are underway to provide ILP online and to make the ILP forms available even at Manipur Bhavan in other states. The Chief Minister credited the achievements of getting ILP resumed in Manipur to the relentless efforts of the public and various civil society organizations of the state. He also highlighted various undertakings of the BJP-led state government in the past 3 years for the welfare of the state.
Manipur da inner line permit lakpaga loinana sigi system ama hanana yumthang na balebak singda leiraba state singda leiraba madugi nomona madugi channabi launchat rules bylaws mayam khomjala kanda koisu lakleba sahi hobu numit tarik 1 sidagi formally chanaba honanaba akoi kanna sarkar na sem sajari kaina bi aroidaba Manipur da mehorondagi leminaraba naga kuki maitai pangal or hanadagi Sahi Kayadagi Targalaiva Chilino, Punamak, Ekoi Manipur Shida, Bharat Basia Moina, Punahiminagadabani, Manipuri Mona, Koi Punahiminagadabani, Aduna, Mamangi Sahida, Mayana Pikiba Corporation, Nungshiba Trust, Madu Mangandanaba, Ekoi Sarkar Sina Subsan Honazari, Asoyangam, Awanapa Legasu, Matam Punamakta, Sarkar Sibu, Takpiraga, Tambiraga, Gaitobiraga, Satpigani, Haibagi, Tazabado Imiam Tamzari.
Chief Minister N. Biren disclosed that Centre has sanctioned around 26 crore rupees for the Loktak Inland Waterways Improvement Project. He also said that around 4,000 metric tons of fresh ginger worth around 12 crore rupees were exported from Ferzel district in 2019. Biren further disclosed that arrangements are all set to initiate a project on model carbon positive eco-village at Fayeng in the near future. He said that the project includes plantation of various tree saplings on 50 hectares land area in order to repair river catchment areas, to construct check dams and channels, along with command area development on 500 hectares land area, to set off 600 solar street lights and a water treatment unit with a capacity to hold 80,000 liters of water. Chief Minister N. Biren also disclosed that the state government has already purchased a land area of around 3,900 square meters for the construction of a Manipur guest house at Dwarka in New Delhi. He appealed to the public to strive earnestly to enhance agricultural production to make the state self-reliant. Biren also appealed to local clubs and civil society organizations of the state to extend cooperation towards the government's initiative to save agricultural lands of the state.
Howjikti Mapung over Manipur issue Suloire, Mapung over Manipur issue, Amakak Manga Taribasi, Naga issue Katangasile, Aduna Masigi issue, amicable is when a swap torn, Aduna Koi, Manga, Karmaito Gana, Equigi, Satok, Equigi, Santok, Isani, Sabu Pujarakanda, Quikamina, Hingadagi, have a problem that the Kok Tadrakanda, civil society organization, Hana, state Shigi issue Gayada, Mangin Tharmas in the Lokpong kan baromda, pothok puthok na baromda, minerals forest kan na baromda, adomda, mai gonsan biyo, sarkar ga khusam narga, masita holdragadi, sarkar na tada depend to bigano, lekai ki club, maina paibi singna, lokpong da sagalaiba, samjalaiba mayam se, masi tahun bigano, vertical expansion tauchi.
Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren wished a very happy new year to the people of Manipur.
Lakliba Mars ki tarik tara gamanga sidaida aina lusingjariba BJP led government asigi sahi ahum mapung pharagani anna asumna miyamna Manipur gi miyamna sarkar asibu sahi ahum tekta kaidana mapung phan biba state sida blockade general strike nothing ba thohan bidana ingna signa sarkar sibu support torga pabira pugidamakta Manipur miyam boi hanna thagachari.
Manpac has asked the BJP-led state government why it is organizing a mass rally in support of the Citizenship Amendment Act on December 29. Speaking to media at AM's office in Kwakatel this afternoon, Manpac convener Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar wanted to know whether the rally is being organized to express happiness that the controversial bill has been converted into an act or because of the ILP system has been extended in the state, or will it be carried out just to please Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. He asserted that people of northeast states, including Manipur, still stand firm against the CAA. Dilip Kumar urged people of the state to introspect whether it is right or wrong to take part in the upcoming rally organized by the BJP campaigning for the CAA. Taking part in the press meet, Manpac co-convener T.H. Soumendra termed the state government's act as contradictory. He said the CAA will automatically apply to Manipur the very day the centre decides to withdraw the ILP system from the state. Soumendra condemned the state government for always trying to please the central government.
CAA ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯝꯊꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯝꯕꯔ 19ꯗ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯑꯃ BJPꯅ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯨꯝꯅ ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ CAA ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ 29 ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦ
ILP ꯑꯁꯤ 2012 ꯇꯒꯤꯅ 15 ꯐꯥꯎ ꯇꯥꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ outdated ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯂꯣꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯂꯝ ꯂꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯠꯅ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ JC ILPꯗ ꯀꯦꯞꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯩꯗꯤ ILPꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ILPꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ CAAꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤ ꯌꯣꯠꯁꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯗꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯤꯃꯟꯈꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ BJP ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯏ.
Education Minister Thoksom Pradesham has been conferred the honorary degree of Doctor of Science in the field of Political Science by the European University of Belgrade District of Bosnia and Herzegovina, acknowledging his contribution to the society, lifelong achievement and social service, including his service to Bosnia and Herzegovina, serving as the regional chief of United Nations mission in the year 2001 to 2002, when he was posted as an IPS officer. European University of Belgrade District, one of the reputed universities of Bosnia and Herzegovina, has awarded the honorary degree. The Education Department and Manipur International University jointly organized a reception program for Minister Dr. Thoksom Pradesham upon achieving the degree at Manipur State Film Development Society in Palace Compound today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Dr. Thoksom Pradesham said his achievement is an acknowledgement of the hard work of the people of the state. He urged the people to keep aside religious and cultural differences and unite for bringing a peaceful and development state. He also said that efforts are on along with like-minded officers and staffs of the Education Department to provide a better education system in the state. Minister Thoksom Pradesham also extended New Year's greeting to the people of the state on the occasion. Former Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor H. Nandakumar, Chancellor of Manipur University International University, Dr. Hari Kumar Palaktaka, Commissioner of Education S. T. Ranjit, top officials and staff of the Education Department attended the event.
Manipur Sidagi, Sakang Biraga Manipuri, Amabu Sakang Bidana, Akoi European University of Bratsko, Isna Pibirakosi, Akoi Manipur, Sakang Bidane. Manipur, I say, see, we should be proud that we are born in this beautiful land of Manipur. Akoi Manipuri Amane, irrespective of ai karamba tribe ta karamba religion karamba kaino ta jaga ra po kono ta na koi manipuri amane abi sathok jaga da adumba macha oina koina how can we contribute yam sina ba yam na well knit na ta sinba adumba samaj ama society ma ohela kan koi khudi mangna chawbana ta ai na ngam khara da contribute to ra kan da koi manipur se mayam singtha na riba adum manipur si ohen se
IPM Minister Thongam Biswasit released 2020 DIPI calendar and diary at the new secretariat today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Biswasit assured that he will urge the cabinet to fill in the lacking infrastructure and manpower of DIPR in the coming new year. He said that the calendar and diary come with added features this time. The calendar will be available at rate of 90 rupees and the diary at 180 rupees at DIPR office in Kesampat from December 30.
Calendar siki manning says that state ki bird, state ki fees, aduga state ki animal, aduga tuan ba posting si calendar si natragana koi leriba diary si learn tahon ba sitagi. Infrastructure leitaba aduga koi manpower leitaba se aduna institute ama afaba mo ohen ba ba se koi resourceful oiba changi financially adu manpower phasana matik chana leiba changi aduga infrastructure leiba changi adana masigi postings ta koi focus pire har kana ngasi maksu koi de leriba media housing si leriba paisa sing si amna tolhan basina maram or kanda akoi mathau tawjariba akoi media ki kano sing sidarak na bagi machak oi haidana achumba wafam ni tawuda bo akoina su budget sida fix tawrga tawba yadabanina matam gi oina masi diu lakpa se akoina planning natragana finance tagi akoina paisa sing si lawrga tawbasina maram or kana matam kitang delay tawbasta akoida su nungai taba akoina setback leibugumba hena ubase masi leitana ba masi soina maki hanaki financial lakadar basitati mapung phana koi paisa si kitang excessively happy na ba akoi gi honorable chief minister da amadi director dagi handa koi report thaji haibagi wakhalon da koi leijare.
Mwelang Salai Yekaipung organized Chehi Kumho, a New Year program at the Sanami Temple and First Manipur Rifles campus today. Speaking on the occasion of Wokchingi Nomapanba Kumhoba, the spokesperson of the association said that the Meitei community's New Year falls on Wokchingi Nomapanba Day as per the community's sacred manuscript, Puya, which was recovered from Longa Kwering village in Ketanmanbi in 1970. Ningthaucham Kalachand, who is a constable in Manipur Police Department, donated his monthly salary and started repairing the road leading to Laimram Waterfall of Bishnupur district with the help of Hainopok club members today. Ningthaucham Kalachand, a resident of Laimram, said that he took the initiative to donate his salary to repair the road as the government has ignored the repeated pleas of the locals to repair the road.
Kunja Manga Laimram Hainabok Waroijing Isum Gom Amadi Chiru Waterfall the tourist waterfall Laibanena Sigi Saga Sida Maibam Titim Lambidegina Waterfall Yobi Saga Sida Lambi Pik Twanena Sarkana Sungasi Pabuta Kariguma Miangama Sambida Badegi Ana Igi Tamagi Tolop Sigi Pangapop Sina Mapam Taragani Toy Kari Taina Bagitamakta, I Shem Sito Javani, Igi, Ishenupa Romena, Mana Sisipi Putopire, I the Tau Halaga tribe, Kosa Toraga Sida Kanam Taki Sarkagi Panding the Kari Gumam Yawanate.
All Manipur Water Resources are the employees and workers organization, and a press release has urged the authorities concerned to release the pending 8-month salary of the regular monster rolled and work charge workers of the Water Resources Department at the earliest, failing which the organization has warned that the workers will continue their agitation until their demands are met. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news, a special report on the government's effort to restore 23 wetlands in Manipur. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Cultivable lands are on the verge of extinction in Manipur. The state is likely to face various adversities of climate change if the matter is not solved at the earliest. Meanwhile, the state government has initiated efforts to restore 23 wetlands. A special report.
Manipur once had above 500 wetlands but left with only 167 wetlands as per a report of National Remote Sensing Center in 2010. People are still ignorant about the significance of wetlands in balancing the climatic conditions. Existence of wetlands in the state like the Lampel part and Waithau part are at trade.
Carbon dioxide chupsing the upamina masing sumandrapa. Adu luna wetland leramba, ising leramba mayam sing the moide job to go with Manipur, am a wetland sing. Mangi mayam si yaure, punjing mayam si yaure. Adu luna si wetland patra pass and carbon dioxide sang hangalapa. And I see what greenhouse, global warming effect or greenhouse effect any condition. What I urbanization problem lab. I think in the name of development, Lambi Amna Shangalapa, the building Cas, Hagalapa, Cokalapa, Amsinasu. Mind Tormasi sustain the Wiki Cook the Gavasi, one and all, a quick Masi common in a holistic approach that we sanction by Yamata.
It would be prudent for authorities concerned to raise awareness among the public on the importance of preserving and protecting the wetlands.
Climate change wetland role temperature high yamna responsible carbon dioxide gas wetland yamna good sing kamoina subsan bada yamna pateng pangba dugumba role mo yam changloi adu danatra mana anak pudra leiba villager danatra anak catchment da microclimate condition mo mana phadana balance toro tham hetare.
Meanwhile, the State Environment Department along with the public has initiated steps to renovate 23 wetlands of the state to help in combating climate change.
Ecosystem services ma'am sing si yengura kanda kun wetlands rejuvenate tawba madi masi tawragadi ekoida climate change gi basgumba mitigation or adaptation process lapu kanda yam aso mating pangane habsi gi scientific report apira badumba mon oibe moram wedana akoi manipur su hariba wetlands sing si angamba wetland khudima koina yaragadi maximum kulum de mokse khoi step by step akharna ba khoi state government ki acho khongthang sangsel leibini hojiksi.
With the government's ongoing efforts to restore Yaral Part in Imphal East, the wetland has now become a home to various migratory birds. The birds like lesser whistling teal known as tingi, mallard locally known as lamnganu, Indian spot bile duck locally known as nganu porel, and white-eye pochard known as irupi macha have been spotted in the wetland.
The Integrated Farming Cooperative Society is now Director of Environment Government of Manipur, Kusam Naraga, Kanjab Tono with the Mugda, Akoi Massive, revived the White Army Paikalapani. Hani Pibum the Tamaga, Akoi Pibum Paranabagi, Pandam the Paikapani.
Among the various measures of combating the climate change, preserving wetlands is one significant measure. For Impact News, this is Ketamim Premchan, Imphal.
One Tata Indica Vista coming towards the Imphal city suddenly caught on fire on Tidim Road near Gari, Makhalaikai today. Timely arrival of Manipur Fire Services team prevented explosion of the vehicle's fuel tank. However, 90% of the car was totally burned down. Impact News sources said that the grey-colored Tata Indica Vista bearing registration number MN04P1216 was out on a test drive from a workshop after its owners failed to fetch the vehicle from quite some time. During the test drive, front body of the car suddenly caught on fire. Ningon Club Hairok and Manipur Library Association Mala jointly kick off two-day library awareness program sponsored by Raja Ramohan Roy at Neon Club Hairok office in Hairok Part 3, Champrak Thong Maning today. Mala President Kangjam Achowa, Ningon Club President Kundong Bom Sophia, Janim's Chief Librarian Dr. S. Sophia Rani and around 100 youths took part in the event. Mala Vice President Y. Laxmant, Mala ex-president and Inausa and Nelit Kohima librarian K.H. Nanda spoke as resource person on the benefits of library at the event. Three-month basic computer and soft skills training exclusively for visually impaired persons kicked off at Welfare Association for the Blind in Takil today. The training was held under the aegis of National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NELIT Imphal. NELIT Executive Director T.H. Prameshwar, Associate Professor of Computer Science Department, IIT Guwahati, Dr. Sanasam Prambir, Member of Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board, Mutum Santi, Additional Director of NELIT Imphal, Y. Subhachandra, and many people attended the event. Altogether, 14 visually impaired persons took part in the inaugurant event.
Technology have the Raspberry Pi kind of low cost computing power computer switch have the mobile chop computer screen to screen to monitor the we need the software to freeware down from we are internet director information technology of Manipur when you see when I don't know again.
Teachers of City High Secondary School at Mayang Imphal presented food items to differently abled and destitute the Kelangpam Mukherjee and his family from Mayang Imphal Maibang Council in Wabagai constituency today. The team also presented stationery items to Mukherjee's son on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, teacher of the school, Thangzam Chingtam Khomba, declared that the school will provide free education to Mukherjee's son till class 12. He also urged the government to provide necessary assistance to the destitute family. Founder of City High Secondary School, C.H. Ronald, also took part in the event.
Aikoina school jina singba mateng pangdana su lai ngasi bawa the makata na ju mateng pangini khoi satra jingi de makta leiba school ni satra jingi awana tarapha matamda school na mateng pangbai basi school gi founder masamak tanatana oja bai khoi gi su thodang ni asigum bai khoi na mateng pangba khoi khudimang na mateng pangminasi khoi gi maikai dagi khoi jongam mateng pangba loina na maikai ka amrum dagi maruina uji lengak pai bi ba sarkar gi maikai dagi sigumba leitala jingjigi mijeng khara changani.
Seva Bharti Manipur National Medical Organization Manipur Chapter and Saksham Manipur will jointly organize the last leg of the free eye checkup and free spectacle Mela named Netra Kumbh 2019-20 on December 29 at Balvidya Mandir Palace Compound Imphal at 8 a.m. Netra Kumbh was held in the last 3 Sundays of December, where free eye checkup and spectacles were provided to over 1,000 people who attended the camp. 12 Conference of All India Democratic Women Association on the theme Safeguard Our Constitution, Uphold Women's Right, All Together, Fight Together, Forward Together began in Mumbai today. A team of 8 members of All Manipur Democratic Women Association, AMDWA, is taking part in the conference, which will continue till December 30. Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association held its 34th Foundation Day celebration at its complex in Lamdan today. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan, opined that a renovated battlefield of the Battle of Imphal will attract more tourists in the state. Stating that Manipur has a great tourism potential, he urged everyone to cooperate in developing the tourism sector of the state instead of leaving the tax only to the government. He lamented that tourists are hesitant to visit Manipur owing to various issues in the state. The MLA also kicked off one-week youth adventure and water sports festival on the occasion. President of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, Bijoy Kakching Tabam, Editors Guild Manipur President, Kogendra Kontrant, and top other officials attended the event. Cultural dance, songs, and thangta performances were showcased at the event.
Manipur is capitulate tourism potential World War II important historical battle Britishers quite toughest battle battle of Imphal promote seriously Manipur is a tourism activity to tourist Manipur makai ahum tourist henkalaise domestic tourist lakpasida cha da tara mari henkale foreign tourist na cha da chani ga kuni thoi henkale hadori ni je changai yam phajana changai laiba thiba na haigadra akoi ge amo irang jina tourism ge keno je khan mo in do.
Spontaneous Association of Jump Rope Manipur under the aegis of Jump Rope Federation of India kicked off 4-day 16th Junior National Jump Rope Championship 2019 at Kumatlapak Indoor Stadium today. Around 250 players from 9 states, including 63 players comprising of 41 boys and 22 girls from Manipur, will take part in the championship. Wangkempt MLA K. Megachandra graced the opening ceremony of the championship. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Dr. Biren says arrangements are all set to formally implement the inner line permit system in Manipur from January 1, 2020. Manpack asks BJP-led state government what is the agenda behind organizing December 29th mass rally in support of the Citizenship Amendment Act. And European University of Belgrade District of Bosnia and Herzegovina confers honorary doctorate degree in political science upon Education Minister Dr. Pradisha.